Jessica Model, what is the reason of your absences in the study room without informing us about your absences? So may reason nimo day sa mga absences nimo. But you have to manage your time. Time management raman jud na siya. Because our time here in study room is 1 hour raman, ha? So, time management, ha? Kay para mas ma-enhance imuhang, what do you call that one, kanang regards of studying. Kay, nindot man diri sa study room, makahatag ka og time sa pagtuon, pagbasa. Okay? Okay, so next time, do not be absent, ha? How about now? Niari ka diri sa study room? Okay. So, dili na mo-absent next time, ha? Ato lang tagahan og time ang self-study, which is mag-read ka og mga libro. Okay? So, fighting! So, do not give up in studying, ha? Pag-focus kay para naman para sa imong future. Okay? So, minaw na sa ako ang tambag, ha? Okay. Bye-bye!
Good evening, class. So, today is Thursday. So, karon mag-recite mo sa story. So, raise your hand kung kinsa na tong naka-memorize na tanan. Raise! Okay, so 4 kabuok. Angela, Criselda, wala mo? Maka-memorize tanan? Pero namoy na-memorize. Okay. So, karon recite mo sa story together. Start!
Ben said, Ben got a new red hen. Her name is Jen. Jen the hen likes Ben. Jen had 10 eggs for Ben. Ben is happy with Jen.
Okay, so Lian, you raise your hand gani ha? Okay, first, ikaw ang mag-recite. Go!
Ben said, Ben got a new red hen. Her name is Jen. Jen the hen likes Ben. Jen had 10 eggs for Ben. Ben is happy when Jen
Dili na siya when ha. With.
with
Again, with.
with
Okay, very good, Lian. Sit down. Next, John, you raise your hand. Start.
Ben's got a red hen. Your name is Jen. Jen the hen likes Ben. Jen had 10 eggs for Ben. Ben is happy when with Jen.
Okay, very good, John. Next, Jessie.
Ben's hen. Ben got a new red hen. Her name is Jen. Jen the hen likes Ben. Jen had 10 eggs for Ben. Ben is happy with Jen.
Okay, very good, Jessie. Next, Jocelyn.
Ben said, Ben got a new red hen. Her name is Jen. Jen the hen likes Ben. Jen had 10 eggs for Ben. Ben is happy with Jen.
Okay, very good, Jocelyn. Next, Angela. Kung unsa ra tong na-memorize nimo mo i-recite, okay? Okay, start. Kusganting og Angela.
Ben's hen. Ben got a new red hen. Her name is Jen. Jen the hen likes Ben.
Dara ka taman? Okay. Very good, Angela. Next, Criselda.
Ben's hen. Ben got a new red hen. Her name is Jen.
Ara ra ka taman? Okay, very good. Criselda, sit down. So, Criselda and Angela, practice mo ha. Nakasabot? Okay, very good ninyo nga naka-memorize ha. But, practice pa mo og maayo. Nakasabot?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Check your answer, Charmy. 36. Copy. Okay, so 36 divided by 3 equals
Negative 7.
8. Ano mo answer ganiya?
Negative 7.
Okay. Again?
Negative 7.
Okay, the correct answer is negative 7. Okay, next number 3. Who wants to answer? Yes, Cherry Me. Very good, please, Cherry Me. Okay, so eyes here. Let's take your answer.
Okay, nga nung ganahan mo makaibaw.
Para makanik ka. Para makanik.
Okay, very good para advanced knowledge mo improve or para na mo stock knowledge daan. Kay para maabot mo ani nga point. Basta hindi mo takaibaw sa high school ay sa elementary maabot din. Oh. Mutan rin si teacher. Okay, what is mode class?
Balik-balik na.
Teacher! Oh, kanang nagbalik-balik nga number. What is median class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, from the word middle, a midpoint or middle, so yang center or tunga. So now, what is main? Average. Okay, average. Very good. Okay, so now, excited na ba mo kung makabaw mo? Sino may dili excited din? Excited ra ang tanan?
Yes!
Okay, so now, maghatag ko og given or data. Okay, so given. Ato una ko kukuha si median. Okay, so median. So now, unsaon pagkuha sa median? Okay, sa pagkuha sa median, inyuha sa siyang i-arrange from the smallest number hangtod sa biggest number. Okay, so now, asa'y pinakagamay? 84. Sunod? 88. Kuha ka 88. Sunod? 89. Sunod? 90. So now, inyong pangitaon ang center. Kinsay center nila? 88. Kay siya man ang naasa?
Tunga.
So, ang median niya is 88. That's it! So now, let's proceed to make a mode. Okay, mode. Okay. Magkuha na kita sa mode. Okay. Ato ibalik 84, 88. Or pwede ra lang nyo dili ibalik ha. Pwede ra mo ari ra mo magtanaw sa median. So now, unsa man ang nagbalik-balik?
88.
88. So ang mood niya is 88.